Okay, so okay. That's Spanish Baby. This music was played by Spanish Baby. Sweet one. Eso wa igbuwa wa yato. Share the video, let this video go viral. Make this video go reach Esther talk show, husband, papa house for village. Why guy? Esther where they use Vivek. They use the way they do live video. Akmo she woman, when I call her come. Baba with a smile. Baba with a smile. And I'm out of your way. Hey, you know. Moving on, baby. Spanish Baby. Give her a chance. This. Spanish Baby. Why are they there? You know, oh yeah, those is you know, it's pain. I don't want to go for one of your body. Any kuni any bini no one. Ude o be one. When you go on YouTube. When you go on Facebook. Wagume go ni bani kirikwa. Wa give video no magese kirivera yi. A voice record you run ya because the monte only apply voice record. You understand? Me live video me ya to iri ya ma. You understand? One tanu me no zeri ni joma iri ma. Bino ma joma iri aje. Bino keke ni aje iri me ya kalo ekwa baba kalo ekwa. Mo we set you. Osumo say me. O dago ya ke ma. O ato wa ya to inagbo ma wa ya gbe. Wa give video no ma give vera. Wa gese kini vera yi wa ya to wa gese kini egbe no Dès qu'il y a d'affaires, what's the thing d'affaires? And you d'affaires start talk show, watch your d'affaires, what good d'affaires, you want? Yeah, swing d'affaires, halago soin. Why I would do among bank badia, ni go wagon. Oh, I thought. That was my young mother. Yet, you see, I'm one. Now, a beer one, a beer, no, I won't be. No, we don't want me rag woman, now we be no one acting a beer. Yes, what Jerry Cuckoo. Any none, any money. He be a gat Jerry. Ik be a big gat Jerry. He and I'll pay me Jerry, you not Jerry Cuckoo. He didn't start talk show. Well, man, how did he mark before? We can we like you wear. Who cares one go men one who Makayano? Don't know any beno. Come on, oh, I know. We Makayano. We had to go men one go. Yakalekwa. Quoi, la vidéo de ma gueule, you know ce que les verras, il y a qui sont à calme, quoi. Yeah. Wayato. Wadododo. Esther Talk Show. You're welcome to Umewa platform. Personally, you understand? Make it the grand one. You do be la message to Esther Talk Show. That means, when me at bad talk show now, Manasa. How you wear Ziri? How you wear the butter? Come on, mon amour, mind derrière. What dans le heavy do? Wa here to wa mu 7 wa. Abi ko ni gbe ya fe no giro tewe bunane. Emi na gwa ma wa gbe wa yo pa wo mo nu wa ye va wo mo nu wa yo boji. Alago da we wa mi hu da we itaya no ye ki e ba no ro da wo. You understand even no wi an bupu wa no va me no keke emi boya to legbe yi. Emi boya to legbe yi, emi a oya wo ge ni gbe yi. Iwunere oriyan ya mu. Ora niyen a ta ma we owe oyan de you ha. Iri oyan yin ne. E won no we ma. We ni ta iri oyan yin di boti wa saka e de so lo bo ta. Understand oba talk be ise. Wa ya wa dududu. Ima oni zibo ya kale kwa yoni zedo ni ya bana kwa nya esta ne gwa gwa wonu obolori kururu. You understand? No ye bozo you understand? So esta no mono iyan ro yewe hu da we ni yeri yogo penu e ogo pen ni yari nu egbe hu de na ro wozo ndo na ro wozo ni igari yogo kiri nu e because uro wozo o si hin na ro yewe odafowe o yan yu wen se fa ubome. You understand? Sisi wa won do ani be ge oda fun we do ada azu obi live video gbeso oda fun wo yan yu wen se fa obi me because me yan ti do ale we gbe se we live video because we humanity e bomb because ro word wo osbo o ka owo e live video ni yan una igege igwo won agun. You understand? Igege iro yo wan ikero yo wan mi ni hun da ro yo wan ni bi time agbon hun da we agasia de adenasi ohun ora sere wa aye gbe hian ahen we emi no kona ta oya iwe na hun da we emi ga la jane wonu o iwa ga be kan ho ege asi koko iri oji. Understand? So Esther Talk Show wa ge video na se kini veraji wa ge se wa ge bara we on tell atikai. Right now, right away, I want to diagnose this video very shortly. First of all, Snikakbe, inyo gwen, inyo wiege, inye no maknya, inya degiyeki, inye ekia amalize estuwin aga sirainale e porejaka. You understand? Me no umenwa one of the universe. Or monegbe or monebe dewe tatata. We na reka you know. You understand? Mondo mi agbadia wa de na do tenegbe or a Jerry no dafe Esther Talk Show o monomore reporter no ma igio wage egbe no kere kate wo no ma na ya go onye no yin yozu yo wa yin ma mo la je na do gwegun hu da we agbo mo gun te bogbe emi ga deva ti oba meji o ga do ba meji aya o na re e na re lo mi agbadia wa de na do kalo nya o dafe Esther hu da we o bia no ho a o bo kan ro bia be wo right down there. Wa down yo. Esther talk show no more. Baba with a smile. Omagu wenge mama eme mama yari vai. Uwele ma. We mangu mana ele mama be walk way. Ma be work you wa. You understand? Picking when you bought for market, what you expect? That's all good or ties all good, ties all time you go. Understand? Go make big benya when you be a go yavi. Or that way can make benya because where was all. Now go when was all. Baba with this man. How are you? Una be one. You won't start a dog by him. I was born see my young no USA. Una bon ma wese me o kawo ma wese na ma ti gbo yesi ti ri bude nu gbe o se na to bo o na wese na no ma wese ni me wese na no ne se ni ya gbe me iba boy la won ni wese na gbe ibude ni no da fon mu de iri bu oda fon de hu da na mo re gbo to na o ma nwa wo wa o ye re bread na so ke ya me enwe gwe ogun apuka wonu we nu we gwia eri no lo ja wonu we gwia iku wa re gwio okuno no fia no wa bemiku rian tenigbe ma enigbe ma be den no ya teme so no makodia no makeni ya gwegbon but bi ni joma ya je make na kakabo dia isi because e mo tie or the phone tie and the phone tie e yan pe na a voice record or the phone e yan pe na e yan ya go star phone you understand because star when my we omonere gba na go wegbon no de omona koko wa gwegbon no de oma keri ya yu pon we han je petu na do gwegbon o mi gbe no bu o mi oligi o mi onyaga you understand so ima me gbe gegege aje won do ya san boluwa ni ko ni zuo we live video na gbe o paro na ri hin we no ri de yo gonoro ma yo go ni sino house na yeke akuye yiwo wa o ato wa dan yo da fen o da fen Esther talk show wa down yo ni akpe nu wa down yo even on that phone you know ta o gbe amo yo wa on that o ni o no ke o ya ma so mi o ya ma kwada o down me ma mo jide gan okpa ila iwo ya so for the beginning wa ya ko down yo yi o da fen star no Jerry nyonya gwana if you know what take the very or that first time you gwana o ha down yo
say body family we ko ya no tina hospital na say body a we o gbe la ni wo me no gbe we to body family say apo ma jire o ku so a lo ni lo ka tu ko mo ba we la refe ko to ya o wa iji me fi ko ni pe me ko me lo ke te body family say no we family we wa mo iya ite body family we ko ya no tina hospital na say body a we o family we mo me lo pe family ma jire o ku we wa bo wa yo ida lo le fo no lo so na lo le wo gbejuwe we ro da le so we kari ya we wo kan gbejuwe ku e ai o va ki oni ọmọ ni be koko from reference ye ke ni ni wa na yo so da ji bi ni we we onu sa on ne bi ku ke ku o wa do ni ga de ya igbo mu da o boju na pe ne we na bi egbe ku gbejuwe we na bi egbe ne lu ba na wa wa yan no su wa de nu wa yan na ro ku ya gbejuwe gbira ko ni ya we
ibe do wa down yo wa ya wa de very first record o bi amo yo ko yo wa o ti e bo no run ano ko ho yin kegbe kwere oga gbenya ro da fun gbenya yo da fun onye Jerry oga ro bi ro da fun kwere o ye bo kwere da fun mi yo da fun no ye wa what's here hey baba with this man my head is hot I want play one music for now dolu yin re yi ro mo na gele gbe we do razan me yan wo wodo dolu yin re yi ro mo na gele gbe we do razan me yan wa ti Esther talk show re no do da hu me nwa hu da we e ma ni epo bo lele ni iyan ma ni gbe iyan ni nwa wa ti ere iya caution ni because era you ma koko we si wa ti ere ni gun egwe me gbe age ya be dolu yin re yi ro mo Nagelegbe wedoga na meknya wowodo. Dolu ni meji gomo. Nagelegbe wedoga na meknya wowodo. Ọmọ náà mọ wù mú sí. Ọmọ mú sí rédé náà wọ́n yìí rẹ̀ gẹ́gbó wọ́dọ̀. Ìdẹ́gọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ìsóyà yà mú ẹ. Òníwọ̀n mọ̀ náà yá mẹ́ o ẹ̀yìn náà. Òrùn rẹ̀ dẹ́gẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ̀ sóyà yà mú mẹ́. Òníwọ̀n mọ̀ ní yá mẹ́ o ẹ̀yìn náà. Dolu ni meji gomo. Nagelegbe wedoga na meknya wowodo. Esther, that music is dedicated to you. Only the way this got this abu krik. Always setty, always up. Baba when this man, when I get some agogo, if not go am, why had been why had done it or wala wo. A video na wa get sick the vera yi. Wa get vera. Ya ban star. Ya I ban why your mo. Esther. Ude go da fun ra ro yira were. Ona ko o even tie seri oni we ne ra la hin we ge iju e no ho agbon. E mo tie o da fun wo tie. O da fun na kanya ru we bi juwe. Ija morigo rigo. E gbonu na sufe igbe agi aviwe. Ija morigo rigo. E gbonu na sufe ivi agi aviwe. Oh, ija morigo rigo. E gbonu na sufe igbe agi aviwe. Ija morigo rigo. Egbonu na suse igbi yaga viwe. Ijwe rigo nenya toda fun wegi jo ya negugo wa. Ijwe rigo nenya toda fun wegi mugbegbe gugo wa. Esther talk show ulare kege gado. Wegi golo gado esi golo. Wenu golo gado esi golo. Udo kiaye obu menwe esi golo. Igbi wa bora alawa ni gbegbe pona esi golo. Esther wa da fun wa kege gado esi golo. Umenwe yan banu wa we live video esi golo. Esther golo gado esi golo. Esther me Monica esi golo. Ope wenu zegbe iban we gba Lazio esi golo. Esther kegerade esi golo. Iwenu kegerade esi golo. Kegerade esi golo. Golo gado esi golo. Amone mo nyire golo gade esi golo. Amoni mo ewi agolo esi golo. Deye marriage je megi omoto esi golo. Deye marriage je megi yoku esi golo. Ogaye marriage je megi yoku esi golo. Esther golo gade esi golo. If I bola we be platform mo esi golo. Ewu ale kwa. Ayi pe yan. Bros, I don't like you. Bros, I greet you, Baba. Okay. I don't wear a mommy, I mean, my viran. You know, Yaguna, you are senior man. Understand? I will respect you. You can't body not better, man. Understand? I'll give you that respect. Acabou. Where's it? Okay, no problem. But I'll give you that respect as a senior man where you be. You understand? I'm not gonna play that video game. I'm not gonna play that audio game. Pass there. I'll give you that respect. You understand? But but ya e vibe wa because I don't wear omo and sun down you be that you son. You understand? Because on here also you be that a case of a doorway or that when make na agree you because it be only zoa the webu na. It be ani bu zoa the webu. You understand? We need to caution them. I'm gonna just show example. How can you be insulting your in-law? Can you imagine? No, bros. I greet you. Mama, you be. I greet you. No. Okay, bros, no, I give you with that respect. Understand? What at all? Domosa, Mama, you be. So my people still on the matter, but I'm not gonna play the audio game. You understand? You can't play the audio because why? They will not call it now. It's not from Nigeria. It's not for Europe. You call it CV now. You understand? Because why the audio they touch me. It be a video one or the other be woke be a or tell them no man ban your one. You understand? Audio ni if I not post it be whatever. Because you know you are very loud. You be whatever. Hello? No, the boy, you not watch that, not watch the video. You just come and say, make a beg me, I just know. Mama down here. Mama down here. We don't go to go, but they down here, enemy, young we know my Joma, Yavish, Madastan. Enemy Yalajan, Imalajan Ogezo, Ilajan way into Dole, or Dole was your bar, Madastan. Not Dole, so. But inside there, so on the phone, the phone also now a message to Esther husband. You understand? But the phone only Google because the phone knew no the phone knew how to see no. You understand? Because the voice recording now don't bear here banner. Understand? When we laughing at Danigby, down your madam. When we laughing at Danigby, understand? Adanigbo si emery, cool. Adanigby, understand? We know why we deal in na. You why we see I because who know when who I bow can as be hene. Advice in immediately, you know, they not just only advice or what believe. But that is me. I want this going on here. It's 6 months. So you saw the live video. So why at all? Understand? Even not mama why I be. Understand? So Esther, yeah, you come here banoko. I don't know where you banoko. Yeah, this going normal level. You understand? No, you have to bug you me one because Papa with the smile, you're not supposed to sort on. You know everything now. Go out. Esther touch you. What give you don't go better? Yeah, you will. And you are going to attack. We might not get mind of your own. Only a matter that what like it be we like it so be. Inja. What like it be we why subscribe your YouTube man. We want talk show. Yes, I invite my well. That voice record just now. It is very. A voice record in like for one boom. It be a war. You know, be a no you who you wire go ahead. Emiamo Jamaladian, or down, no home win a jerry. You understand? No, that Esther. Esther, waiting ye go be at Monu, in my way, Emmanuel Beckham, who so my and ye become. Esther, I want wake Kali Kuyane on at your memory. Kakaboya name me. My nigga was second work with and I saw yes, girlfriend, just call you. My sister, more men. Oh, when you may see, the Jenina, eh? I did for the TM when you only gave me and Baba with this man. It's what they live in my live video. You understand? Because why? I declare my line where you feel me so? Because in my very good time, it's why they 40 years young. You understand? Yeah, I with birthday, we are see the go. When the film na star, do my any come away. Do we have this go and star? Me no me utie me. No ba me utie me. O we fact ne gwe ma me. No go ya eva wo we live video. E kalo ko ma we by sister. Because when imagine ọmọ no la dia we hia do go we live video. Okay ke no gwe ne o isamoro ni san no ka gbe ne. You understand? If we now adi muja wa de dia. Isamoro ni san no ka gbe ne. Okay la ja we live video. You understand? My name is Mamule, my sister. We don't have any secrets. Oh, be a name of who? Almost one toaster, almost one girlfriend. Oh, who name of door? Or we must be no inside of your head. You understand? Do my hair because who were more and one bottle, who fear you. You understand? You are a married woman. Oh, who not your boy. My sister, you are a big shame. There you marriage weni, there you marriage yaji. Me here video na where you are. Esther, when marriage weni je wo weni. There you marriage yaji. Oku na we je me you are. O you wonderful we a cheboni ru we cheboni you we. Benyara ri we were. Bunu yo we akaru we gito wia. Ihe we matada fun weta. Akara we gele guya no ge ma to saloboa because bolo we tik bakara Esther aya limone gi ekpe o manakara wa ti a fi wetin this gongo we mata wa ta ma we limone gi o wa be cheap with market do ya va because e gilo mu yan o sun bodon lu ya awin no da fo we make na han guya o gbe fashion joke saga alimone gi o gbe fashion una o ka ko ni we wa manare sa me yak bakara o dollar dia be gbo anu zege dia o zege like quick one aya limone ge bakara we ni. You understand? That limone ge onu de chilies or this market or pharmacy. You understand? Apotek ni ya do ya bakara we. You understand? No do ga la dia o si e da fo ma be me ba wa ma no we ya mu you no ha mu ko wa egwu o ya din na ya kpara o dege wo han we wa no ya be because e ba o you adugbo we ni adugbo we e ba e wa o gi anwu no lo o anwu lo ameki na mi we ga ta unu do ho o han we he go o han we o gwale e ra ye bunya ali wa mo package if do I go buy damn you go near by because he was so why am I when I need to hear when I bakara he carry ya live video when I met no dani why am I want to go why sion hu or yes sion hu no soto u I say gun ba no ba August time no you that or that way kilo solar dia or kilo provo what there in the Facebook ask you what be what there in the live video ask you what be how man go on go YouTube what there in your again what there even what that for tabu one on a hin why like the live video because why here a Facebook why here a live video why no ho Esther agwo mogun te bogbe iviedo ni bun wa ni bun wa mala ke bi no ma eki ni mi dan yi e wa pobo yi aro eva ahon ogi ase ba wa dolo e Facebook na me na aro eva ahon ogi ase ba pe mu e ba no we pe mu e ba o we gbe apeyo no me kina gbe ven no kina gbe mu ren Esther talk show gay o bi ani no call me ban or zero boy ya boluwe le to Facebook no wa en we I'm a very useless man o tie ni ya we useless you are live video 2 months mogun ya kan we track. You understand? Osalobo save you we ro wozuo uro wozuo da for na tala rubbish unu ekwe na ye go ye la live video omo na ekwe mu ageki o we desia mu a odafu we gbunu yo live video gbunu yo uhewe gwia odafu nu we yo wa No, you go, what are you want? What we go, Bohunia? Oh, Siena. What we go, you won't. Help Yanu Mugo, you won't. Oh, Yani Amugo, you won't. Oh, my darling, you can be. Made you go, you wa. Or walking me to like the live video, or do I hope you be away? Either watching, or no way you can do the watching live video. I don't know. In Facebook, when you delete it. As soon as I've been on war. Agua unu all ba. Or the when you not to see no day. No day. A voice recording make me now. Or women no they are day. But you not no day. It might have it pay. Even try live video no day. Ina no one make voice recording ni. It done ho ene. Ina do ya advice other from where. We here una uri sebo ne uye popopo. When I go na yele lagbe. Uye popopo when I yele lagbe. Una do like your live video do I tell you no man o do aro vi me e working how I bet you are why mu wa be go mi o pa o wa be go ya mi pa o unda o mi odo we need comfortable this you are a comfortable single mother with stupidity because the single mother be your honey buni di ogo no pe ya nya bu nya re bu na ya so we who do you think you are? When no yakbo share the Yahweh live video, we hear the vet with the Yahweh live video. Is that close? Ali Esad, Ali Baba explain. When you go in Makan or Robona, if I Bola Wegbe. If I Bola Wegbe, when I get to go on a bear, Ekimena away. Master, I wait 2 minutes near our Luegan. In Ariella, when I bolo Wegbe ya, Esther, so come out, who you rule Latin. It's talking more when you have your wear, it's talking more when. Wagwa. Ima wagba zua. Wagba wen. Esta gume bano nyawe. Ya bano nyawe. Ya bano nyawe. There's be ami ho lenu ko ami ho lenu. Uwa hin no ya hunu buko. Agume tele gbe ma esta wa ye gbele ele le we saga imanama no go. When no go o won ni hin o tamawe. Iba bola we gbe a. Aboni ba bobolo we skin. Why you when I? Esta oko. Why you go na oko? Oko you. Oko. Why you? I'm going to smile me drink beer. How are you? La desta. Go. Wọ́n da yo. Cause unyo enwe. O ahia ya ge joy. Ni ya kan ye joy to ta ki babo ila ye joy. Bi joy ta lo ta lo. Iye je na ru bi na won ma joy. Iba bori la ne gbita le ta lo wo bi ni wazu. Agma mezu wazu ko ya mezu wazu ko o gban no. E wa no gbe kan fra ki o gban ni hun da o gban na ma bi ye. No ba no keke mi boyo to le gbe iba bola wa gbe a. O che wona. Uzo a. Yo te me ba to wa ko no yin te gun sta. Wona sta yi. E boya na te sta ye ezu oso wa yo mo sha. Yo give no yin te gbe sta no yin sa chi comfortable sa chi. Baba with this man. Who are you to? Esta no more. Oh, no was no word. Oh, na mi ga ya. E pe no na che bodo ko no word. E na da te bodo ko no word. What do I analyze you we get no dey? I'm ashamed of you. On a more serious note, I'm ashamed of you. What do I make? Yes, my sister. Do my hair. Sit down. Let me caution you. You know the problem when a woman, you people, why counseling, marriage counseling before marriage. You people don't know what is marriage. You people don't really know what is marriage. What do you marriage be? Akpenike gwalodo, akpenike ziegbe, uwa de yo, okbianu he ya me, da gbe uno, umae, du hun dan o do no ka gbe ko yo no umae, uwa de yo, or de yo no. I want make shame in my body. I don't want make shame in my body. But the number say I go first husband house, you know work out. I want go second one, I not go fit work out. I want just to bear the shame. You dey bear the shame inside humiliation upon your family from my hand. It's an error. It's an upside down arrangement. It's a taboo for the man that go down on his knees and say, "La what you do me? What you do me? What you call me? What you call me? Oh, you know what how we na be rag business by." when you want to tell video do happen. They will diva bono la wa gbin. Diva be YouTube no la wa ni bu egbe na me social media. Ne kwe na giri wa o. Esther. We ne kwe wa o. Abi biomu e o jama so mi e. Abiomu abi ko e. Ado regbe nu kere ni agbe no suka ka onu egbe gba na egbe na ona ye gbe ta o kere but yan ma we bo loneliness o we bo o fi were re with you who you think you say you were a single mother for 7 years. Now you've seen a man, you waited for ages to see the man. My sister, you did not wait for ages. You were saloing and boloing and guoroing before you waited and see the man. Now you see the man, you hold the man tight. You were expecting Olila or Mune because it was a sooner, a tune. It was a tune. You now come out and say, oh, why a tune? We are the Galagumen. Are they? Oh, no. Oh, what we cartoon? It's not there. It's me Italy. Oh God, Papa with this man. Esther, I go with live video. Him, master. What you want? You are just a gentleman, clean gentleman. You are a gentleman. We like you, man. You have our dugbe. Ita, ina wani boom. Esther, listen on the more serious note. At the joke, and I'm going to diagnose you the truth, and the truth not going to hurt you, cause nothing fake about with you. Esther is a comfortable single mother. Now, so Esther no more. I pani, senior man when he swai. He banning it in your way. He come away where I do. I told you, baby, Utoto. I told you, baby, do. You understand? When we do not let you zoo, when I let you way, a Kema do saga. Esther, listen and listen good. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, we are not in the same category. You understand? I just want to deal with you with your level. You feel me so? I want to treat you to your level. You understand? But I see you say you don't get sense. So let me want to position you. Want you to show good example to some stupid single mom out there, stupid married women who have no respect for men and they come themselves married women. You understand? I decided to say, oh, this is not good. What is not good is not good. Emma. Emma tama wena tiye. Emma tani wa gbe me bana. Emma tani me la video do ta. Men want to prefer fake life, but fake life in him disgrace wa ba. Yeah, disgrace wa ya no ya take fake life. But Emma tani already wa time wa. But the truth is that okunoro wodo o keke no bi ari ogone. It's just the way it is. O keke no kunoro wodo no bi ari ogone. The respect ni mu yo egbe no de. O say mana go egun o da ho fuck up. E na go da ho egun. I fought for your sake. Well, I watched a video quietly. I talked to your husband yesterday. Because it's a shame what that thing were. As a man, or do I make when you know ta? They cannot get what damn it. Every not banner. It's not passing a good message to all the men, especially with the men in Europe. No, you understand? It's not a good message. That was the advice I gave to your husband yesterday. Your stupid husband, I mean to say. Because if acting well, oh God, I don't know. I don't know the kind of people will be your brother. Me na acting well, or we made a voice recording we no spread the here or sekili meye, or timing audio, or timing or we not get what timing audio with him. A voice recording no that we no we really or sekili meye. Let's go for my yowa. Or hono ga train station where never be. Me rewo bunyere bo hono station where ujo pa nyaka gbe hono no wase me no din me. O ya ya fini mo ujo pa nyaka gboda ho we ni yi. Don na ga teme working Esther. Oh yes, orun o ma kike na fiu na aro yorun. Orun ma gbo won. O ga je kan yen mo ko owo yan isowo bo u di ku yipon so lo bo a. Ide keke no yi. But can you imagine, because you bring yourself so cheap for the man, because you are so cheap to that man, look at the way he is humiliating your mother. He not be aware. Or not with the or where a man not that means you will fuck up to that man. Or not humiliated you were. He not boy ya unane. He no so gina ga. He no ma ja ma okere busuri. Okpo niye. Edune kunorame. Ugegbe nebu. Ekene madoyo. Iji no hege no ya gbomo. Odafu we aja okpa mesi kanya. We kwena yiguwe la jebe la video omo japun. Iwe fin iwe ya giase no star. Iwe ya giase no. You are a useless daughter. Iju when we are binana we are nyangu kunyo yani ruba. Onya ho doja do sono. Nyira kwero vieruwe o mase yero gijuwe. Ijuwe yowa. Omoga yo moga da obiyoji. Ijo number 1. When you je ne buwe ne ruwe eduwe keke bi abi aje no piani. Oda fu ga ti yo jan yuwe kwere very oni. Bu bi yi mana live video presenter ya he. Esther women not her. What Esther on the total because emi on no advice hey. She's a stupid daughter. Because I want to get married. I want the husband. You are eager to get married. Without no good character. You don't have manners. You want to get married and you get married to a nuisance man. An irresponsible man. A man that has no respect for women. Then you can still categorically come out of live video to speak rubbish to your people, to your fans. I wonder what people that are following you, what they gain, what they are eliminating from you, from your dubious nonentity attitude. When you call it, oh my no, Baba with this man, are you okay? For real, I want to know when I think. You are not my family. Whenever you brought your matter to social media, you have sold yourself to all the live video presenters. Esther, you make a word. You utter a word today. It was a very nice word. That is how it's supposed to be. And the word you said was today. If you have an issue that related to a marital home, it should be settled within you and the family. Bravo, bravo, bravo. I always said it here. There are some issues you don't have to bring to social media. There are some issues that need to be settled amicably within you and the ancestors, within you and your family. Your family is your ancestors. But because of lazy life we wanna get, fake life we wanna lose, because the love talebuwa mariagun, even why then you not see your life any small thing live video, any small thing live video, and you don't have break. You follow different kind of platform to gossip. People have seen you that they don't look at you as a big mama. Mama, I need a man. Mama, I need a woman. How can you imagine? I wonder people that called you. I wonder men that called you. The same category that you people are. Yes. With this kind of attitude, my dear, I pity you. Hi God. Every soon, Salobonegi Madig Saloboneg no, the Rabian be moving way. On mon name will go. On name respect. Men when we lay a life in me, carry time life with you now. Easy life. I didn't mean Baba with this smile. And yet you see more, yet you are a married man. You understand? Daughter for a million. Ya do way. My sister, okay, can only respect in Ebenu Kiri. Ovigbo na ye go de, Ivigbo na ye go rene de. Iya ye won go no onojo doni no jomoni ya. Iya ye won go, iya ye digwa ye igwe kan ni ya mi orun ya. Esther what when our logan here, no respect. Tomorrow there will be not see Benin men, see Benin women, see their life. See their life. People will keep talking. Dubious nonentity attitude. How can your man be insulting your parents? Is that, and you call that a marriage? You call that a marriage? That's a marriage. or more porridge. Saloba, about with a smile, I make a Esther, who sorry, woman, where ya be sagele mayo, mayo, sagele mayo, odi baby, sagele mayo, bebe, sagele mayo, mayo, sagele mayo, odi baby, bojo, ye, akaramo, ye, mekishi, oluwa mbe, if I catch you, not tell your papa, Esther. Look here, if me papa ya boss you ma dog ba sene e boariti ne respect kire no yedo because uro wozo o respect kire ni yele there ya bano we wa na wa na ti o menwe we me ni me ima normal man dey live video no we na it was all fake not the truth you said in all your live video. That was why I just sat down we our live video e ri close we na re veranda na anwe bie baba we dey smile e ma ti Francis in a month relax I did live video with and they watch and they press love or like put more praying love or like he say live video well uzo ba gbon you wanna see it because of ya lunga hata ora ye mo gi gie we ri pin when start my come we finya because na ari ni oga ye ki no sana anon o men so go down le uwa hin o men so go down o de we ki la ye ni ge ni lage this person always in one year to be your mess with the because why? On one year, see one year, which is a Coberian, and destiny, Nigimunya, Hunan, that's one, Lila Coberon. Then may he Calequa. Because while we are yasin on a yasin, I see why I used to wayak good thing, more men. Esther no see one way I go away and we are going. Esther is number one or mess over than one guanca. A Cacoberian. Was a godfather to Esther. The same Jacobian. Esther, you know, see one, a mess of wood down. Jacobian. I don't know, mess of wood down. Any next channel. You want it one. Oh, Mamma said, where would you men's talk show? Now you know, near color come away. It's up by my with the man with it. Or Mamma said, no woman. More say no way. More be no way, no there. No do yak your woman now. What son? Or see when I was saying now. No, he's here. Go. He was boy like me. My not a son. Or at all. Esther, he went to at all. What tall? Was a to. I don't want to me. Ya little no and making a talk. Making a me bomb ye ya bobe. Cause tell me you much cocoa, young cocoa. You no go to now. Money ban on your sagbe, ega yiro. Money call on your web star. Ya bolo a gangbe, umemwa a gangbe. Oh, if you talk here, hot bolog when I think I will go. Esther, no, I don't know. What's your event? Money, about this man. Ilazian wanikwu ni gwa dokbi ayu wa iwa bota iwa bowie all ran yan gbe one after the other egbe no last time na a disgrace all yan gbe sometimes Esther ogun what do order for wegbe mistake mistake Esther let me educate you a little bit. Ojabo nyanga no ni yoda fun carry ni yoda fun we no carry ni yuwe it's a very long time. It's time a year now I alter and I go down on my knee to pray with anybody because even in my day when put there a disgrace, a humiliation or be one after the other confession or this is a year of confession. This is a year of breakthrough. This is a year whereby a lot of women that have been tired of bondage will be set loose. This year, a lot of men that have been tired of bondage will be set loose by fire, by thunder. You understand? It's just the way it is. You people can never change it. No matter the sham you do, no matter the babalawo that is working for you, I stood on my feet to cry to the Most High God. Any man, any woman who has taken any of your picture to babalawo to tie you down in your bondage, or because they are desperate to marry, by fire, by force, they turn you to the men, to women instead of a man in the house. By fire, by force, you will be set loose by the special grace of God. Why is it change? Esther, Oh, damn it, what to me? Oh, what to me? Esther talk show no more. You not more. Be ya your living way. When I na what all? Why je to? Himo ya work we boko ni. Oh, no, you Jerry wa. Jerry la off you we want some. You we Esther we no die be or hano. Deal with the work personally. If you want to humiliate Esther inside the room, humiliate Esther is your wife. I said it boku are you wa. Eh, you have to get out. It's an error. Ogadoro bieru we you banner. Honor of you where you were. Esther na bunu na tie bog ira yo automatically mo ra bi go to ne no kunu yire. E be no ba. O be nice then for one. We respect you while you respect your in-law. Yes. Because automatically in-law is not your wife, it's not your mother, it's not your sister, it's not your family. They say man shall leave the father and the mother and cleave with the wife. Cleave with the wife. And they shall become one. Do you understand what I'm saying? Jerry, Sierra will get down here. About this man, talk to her. It's just the way it is, man. You need to learn how to respect your in-laws. Those are the people that gives you children to marry so that you can build your family. People will bear your name. If you see that the attitude of that woman is not okay, I make an argument, my brother. Oh, Bama na yabel yon aji. Baba with this man and talk on. I have your way. Anything will give you sorrow, delete them. It's just the way it is. Delete them. There are some marriages, they are not marriages, they are managers. That they manage themselves. Don't manage. You don't pity to marry. It's an error for you to pity to marry. Don't say because this woman is due for marriage. You want to pity this woman, to marry this woman. That is an error. It's a state of Eden Balu. It's an all-standard arrangement. You understand me so? He's a man of speaking true. Carlo quite true. Esther talk show. Wonderful. Let me prophesy into your life. You people want me to prophesy to your life. Baba with a smile. Esther, come closer. Let me talk to you. Why subscribing? You people make one talk show. Why subscribe? Why appear? Why go boy go ni banga? Because yeah, la den live video. While the live video with respect you, I will be turn. Understand? Because so I'm going to do in a different dimension. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm also going to be coming out on my own personal recording myself, editing it and paste it on my YouTube. So for those people that know good things, that want to listen to the voice of wisdom, you can go there, you can subscribe, you can listen, you can watch. It's just the way it is. You understand? That is it. You understand? But for this Esther talk show, I want to hear Kings one for you to insult me on the Bible with a smile. You understand? Esther talk show. When you 50 euro men, where money carry 50 euro men, we money can you hear men? Can you imagine the talk? Hello? I greet you, bros. What talk better? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. What? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. No problem. What's this? Domosa. What? Domosa. All right. All right. So, please subscribe to my Umewa talk show. Hello. What talk about? You don't like video? Okay, where's this? What talk about, sir? Yes, no. Obaze. Igbinosu yele college road. You know, let's say. me yomo, but mo makura do na me yomo. Oro si yes yes mo me gbo kan ya former police station po police station bi ma go ga mo mo kuda bona yeah ma yomo ko mo ni kuda bo awa okay no problem sir. All right sir, domo sir. What? I must greet you. Domo sir. Ide fi mi. Me omo no ma wa ime family must to ti me. Ya we frank provoke me. They must control. What so no ki. Have soro yo who no for. Understand? It's just the way it is. You understand? Esther, ini reality na ya woni la ore bi bolo. Ya fan bolo e bo asene. So ni be you bo ho. Understand? My sister otema okin aso aso zunu do uzedone otema okin emine my ma. You understand? If you don't know what you want to, 107 wow. Kino commit your resi o kore dan ro. E mata wa ya won. Omo na koko wa no menwa oga yan we aron paro no ogogo no orun agaro wi no ro bi jin. No ro wi rin wa. Ero. You understand? Emine ma only a problem in my social media na. Aga dere emine ma hunda wa na support e o ka tebe no ri we o hin den wa gbegbe ni o ga pe yi wowo e o. Omo ga wa ni sandan aye be dan kun ni san. Yo keke na wa we na mana we de oni I said to me I move so ra uma wagbon with social media na. You understand? Emi na wa ke ko ma kodia o ma deyo awa tabe no yi awa mu logbe. You understand? I make na go ga be gwita wa dolo but let's start talk show. Emi no ya me ban o gan na me gbe tene gbe mo hunda we agbo mo gwon tebo gbe ibude gedegbe eri ru no de make na ya mi nwa. When you do to go and begin my Benunga live video get to viewers, every viewers equal. You can have a whatever well in our time. And one time when you go near home, every bag that building car. You understand? Every Barcelona, the Madrid, be machine and draw. We know why I did it. I tell me, if you are diva or about me, I would young, I young, you don't recognize you. I keep about I want to play record, I want to play this one. Emi ngari utawi noji abi winere nemo fome Esther kaka boy adolo waweji onion why the summarization of all these things ya adolo waweji you understand ima onu wawe kwa wa yobo but we are not here where you are. He need to sit down and watch this video. No go ale onaga pe na my gui no here eme no make sense even tana no see no sense you do by insult no right. Because oga yo the voice recording ni oga ha gbe yen ria be ni kawo yen ria be de don edion no ya de ga yoko no wa no yoko ni jerry oda fun we ha gbe yen ria be etin kawo no ya de we ajoko no wa agboko yu amugo yoko hu eje gan do mugo yoko hu ajoko no wa yen ajoko ni jerry ori abiyan ona mi nu gbe next time wo jerry ye wa o chiri bi o wa baba o viwa ave sunwe o unyime no nyina ma de yo give no he o imagwa lo iwe no la live video ma gena pa igari gun agiriye o ju wa na egbe emi kere ga sunu wa live video wa tra live video ere eke wo da fun ye kere ere ke da fun ye twin e 2 minutes ma da fun working eni onyime no gba star e ba no da fun na ri ape. Okay, no matter what you really tamoda o kan do we mo boy mera uri meji ami on we ya zirara abi mi o ka gbe buwa ra abi mi o twin odion na abi tie we baba e we no mo na una o ma de yo o we mu me e we no na ma pe yo o ma kodia ai chiwe ai tabo we na ya we bi kon da we e we no si oligi wonya nga be de na e marriage self continue wa u man shall leave the father and the mother wakba e ri wa ga igwa gun wa riri yi wa igwa gun wa riri ni ma to si ni ma keke no wo yiri o. Watok be o. Wato. Why did you contribute, man? My speaker.
I'm on your speaker.
Okay, on speaker.
Okay. waya puta wa boguya wa pava keke no wa reage wa ripe monta igogo no ba wa we ebe gbe ebe ya na ove latin o bi ari enwa ni hu mama no pun
Akabo.
no ro wodo okpe ani gun o wi eri ra yin bo ona ati ebo ni je we no ya potore wa mi we esta ma no ka mu je boto ni no pia
Yeah.
whatever because ever as no ni abota fun o no ka mi je ije jaji e ke no pia ni na se tie po ne ona wi eri ra yin bo we ikpe agun anya agba yo te mata we ke o kana tota yo wodo ebe nu ya bo yen na ema
Akabo.
iji ma no ro wa ihe agwa mi ego vinya ai ti bi go kinya ne ovinya ni ogi teme no se vekini yaji
Exactly.
aga mi lata ijo mo gi temata o ha ge nwa jo se me wa mi no sunu ni bun me wa re seto ni bun eme na wa re ta mi ijo mo wa we uga ono gwe ti o wodo ya ezo ya no gwe mu yo wa wa ate ba we o pe aja mi o ma fo
Akabo.
nwa oja mi o ma fo
Akabo.
ọ iju ni no wa iju ma o beta we ya de ba yu iju ni no wo na iju ni no wo no na we na me wa like e abi ku ma no ka gi ope afinu gijin ya no mu jin ya gboto gbo eje ave kwa o si la ni no pe agu je kwa ni ha o ko no ro to wa se na ta fo we ku igwe kwa ni ha ru kure we ko o ya ni o ve ja mi ku fo
Exactly.
eni bu wa we ati ebo ni yo ma wuzu wo mene o wi je wo we na aki wo hu we ma re ni metana we here e poro kwa ri hin
Exactly.
o da sa me one ade emini ano no sunu da sa na we ni na wa ja kakapo na kan e ma mi gi de ti enya ni ruwa we na ata mi ya ki yo me so no vere we bo ovinya oboto ovinya no kurema iya te pa vinya ya pe no pia
Exactly.
e ma tare no aya gogwe gwi u te pa gwe la ga piyan bo wa o a mo to na o me o ere o pia ja mi o ma fo veri oni o wa ta sa
Kakabo.
e so ma no mu ye poto ne no pia e no pia no ro visioni no ro vije o ti o da ve o poto o ti o na le nyun ekunyi le no western yin no de aro mi je eri o ta fo ti o e o ni fi abe ro bi je
Kakabo.
o understand
Exactly.
ono se woman no lewo na respect it mama wodo and then ya no wa le sunu nu wa visual family we o mai ne ya mata fo we ne ori o we so to you are bringing your family down
Exactly.
because it iye mo tabere ni o wi bu do wo mo ma be ri era e o be won me o gba akwa era agui iyo wo na ijo mo no orun ado atawe e ma na ijo na do abi ogo gu abi ogo afari ogo ta e si piata
Okay.
iye mo wata wi pio mo ka do wo mo ore ma money ti le wu gwe ri era e do po na to time ma be vie ogu ma e pia ogo ere no love we se te mo wa gu tem emi ni juwe wu go so oja gio
Kakabo.
ọmọ ìjùwẹ̀ ìjùwẹ̀ tó kú ọmọ ọba tó táyé má wọ́n lè tè ọmọ tó táyé má yẹn fi gẹ́gà ìjùwẹ̀ rí ọgọ́ rí ọgọ́ afọ rí ọgọ́ ta ọmọ ìkókè ọmọ náà ọ̀rí ọgọ́ ta náà rí wà. àti gẹlẹgẹlẹ náà ìjì máa ní especially máa yà ní rẹ́wẹ̀pọ̀ ìjì àgbà mi rẹ́wẹ̀pọ̀ yẹn jì ọ̀rẹ́ kí yẹn kó fi yẹn gbọ́n òbí yẹn kì í kọ́ ọ́ yẹn bọ̀ sí yẹn kí gbọ́n ọjà yẹn ọtí ìsìn yóò rí lẹ́nì ìyọ́n ní sẹ́ ní ajá mu yẹn rí à.
Kakabo. You're right. You're right. Where's him?
Stand down the one. Ere lati ere we video no wuni. Ere one. Ọmọ de gboto. O ere one. Stand the one. De to me one lati a. Oga imo yin ekwe ki me lati a.
Kakabo.
We to atata me nya ni follow we ni popo. Nene tre ngana no we tana ya. Ya onyo se ta me ma ni fa gbin ya wa the social media. Uwe ki ata na we my ro. Emaga ibugbe no keep a victory keep ori igbe dari le we man put delete o gweda nwa
Exactly. Exactly.
YouTube. The no na who water for work or wa. Uma here the ruga see aye. Ona record them in order for water. Una le ko no be move na ti atu ata we ima ega oga realize. Imagine.
Anya nene fa nene aswa ni me wo so ai ho ala yan gbe one after the other. No gbe ku ke ka yin gbe se so kuno yawo re. Ita u kiri month na is a month of confession, a month of ifagboa. Ya le fake life ya bele ko ha.
Oma atemata yo wa ati epone. Oma nu mama wa ati epone. Head oma na good win ya. Ola ki o te pe to anya nya to ati ko. Oni o ije ameti gwegwa wa. Era ameti gwegwa. Era hi o ni ya vi jejo ni.
Okay.
Era oba hi ya vi jejo. There's no need to know no because when I walk
Kakabo tari.
Ita my work na has for wenwa. It has for wenwa. But oga weda to wenwa. Ijo mo keke ni atevata. Because the regime me dia win me roboto. Iga we boss in memoria. Iga mo ni rogwa ni via re we boni ni ya fin nuke ni ya rovia. Umo ewe behavior gen ya no. E character gen ya enu. You understand? When you are jona ya wa. So a man can even one ya that mean no so no external when you have set a few new with yet near contract me a very or that for me arrive to the doctor.
Obila, or talk memo. Wesimo, thank for your contribution. All right, mo. So my people now say just be Esther talk show or at all. Understand? Ibudi, married or you understand because if you live video no we can do YouTube no ya ran ya go YouTube can do a page well it's rubbish you understand to the extent women no men baba with this man baba me he gave me I laugh in Indian language we shawan to wa we money carry 50 euro ni men ne me no men I tell you ni go ni meti mi agogo we money can nya no ni my men no, that will reward the devil will tag a live video. You tag the man with live video. We tag the whole way, you know, the reward the way. You understand? Wow, what's we are here? Hello. What? Baba with the smile. Wow, here. Mama, I greet you. When what we know now what the last speaker? Okay. Okay, mama, I have no time, man. Go ahead.
Smelly to be getting up by AKA
Lao. Otimano lao I forgive you. Allow. A piece my igual master to any megui mwezo to the motherstand even while you come where every na music kekeria mizami motherstand so Wallah. Wallah, I agree with you. So my people now say just be, you understand? The truth is just the way it is. You understand? You understand? So Esther talk show, come away. Every time you type a live video, Obadia, that do gaji. You understand me now? Or mama di go me, ni do go e gon Esther. Or mama di go me, ni me do robi we, me ozu me push over. Do we na ka we daddy live video presenter we. Do we ka we daddy one group all those ogbekwa group no ka ye ni. Do we na break back ni. O menwe e na ha no say you understand me? I'm well selected out of all those kind of lifestyle. I don't want barak bona, especially when you live video ni, when you go live video ni. Me hiya no men when hiya sati gugu am I bio erag mo ka yudi. You understand? Because he ko toku hun guwa hiya fe no we live video now. Kino kino mine kino be ne we ai guwa hiya ni gu wa hiya fe ade ikiladian. You understand me now? Any segoe Esther talk show. You understand me now? E maladian do mi on akpo, but it do overthrow no one. Zerewhere or no keke no with me, no keke no with me. Also back bass and I will know wonder where on one moon a or yeah no. You understand? I'm not a fake president. The real social media president I'll go on. Oh, I say what all. Hello, come here. Yato. Yo. What contribute to? Okay, one more yo. One.
So it was a video no go viral on social media concerning some people.
Yeah.
You see, this life, if you are the way a dema winner or a dema money, I end up way to work.
Yeah.
Understand me?
Yeah.
So, all way a life in now. Here we own woman or see man and not to wagmona. Understand me?
Yeah.
And if you do over yak become where I got to a bogioma, I lay at you was something like that. This very woman, so yeah, we have been nonsense enough. Who Latina? There was a day, like only way last week, here what that for me. Omaga we video on our tier in Monica. So you now listening to it on our tier way. You on Yabi, can you repeat it? Or that phone in Nabi Arivani. How can you just come out on live video? Who anything will contribute down? Who do I repeat it in no matter? Who do I tell Bonoma as in there's a cure who do a kidney who do it? Nothing. You don't have good topic. Who make good content? Who are Ladian? Who do I tell Bonoma? So for me, anyway, Kama is a bitch. Understand me?
Yeah.
Everything me way it's imagine in the name we know yaswe because a video now or suppose the way in to be here on that way maybe where it go because all the everything here they attacking what that way or in a way they are not here if they are not even living in the good terms because I mean no larger unuya you man live with you man in one years they are not stable here my
Sure.
understand?
No.
They are both of them are not okay.
So what is now your advice for them? What is now your advice for them? We just need to advise them because man.
My advice to each and any of them, when you know that you are a human being, and when you wear a flaws or where we life where for how many a month or for some time,
yeah.
You understand me? Which is very bad. Because when you learn to mind your business, you are going to live long.
Okay.
Mind the business you will not make a nonsense enough. Because my spirit in on the
yeah.
You understand me? In my feet where I no imagine na enu we ugbo odo afla ya be ehe ya so no isu awe na wo we ne mi wo we mu latin they no isu no she had to ask herself we how we ne mi yasu na one line the spirit no line we pe because we maybe we pay o man no yari latin
exactly
you understand me
exactly.
So she said she need to work on herself.
That's
or
good.
work on a blogger because as far I got you seen it as SMS they meeting
exactly exactly. Uchani my sister what sabo adebawe even what any amount I don't know what thank for your contribution. I really appreciate you. You understand? So my people, and here I go draw the curtain. Even again Natana, it should make sense. You understand? You understand? Because why? What's the not any go make sense? Esther to boy 70. Waiting ya mwa bidayan. Ya mwe father ya e faru wa. We ka good you understand? So if I ya mwe dayan. Sorry, I don't want to pick her anymore. You understand? I just want to conclude this issue and call it a day. So Esther to boy with 70 with live video where ya mwe father ya. You understand? Faru waiting ya we your Esther my we your a year now, 2021 is a year of disgrace and embarrassment to all those fake life people. Anything that is hidden under the darkness is going to be brought to light by the special grace of God. You understand? Why ye? Even yan wa ule never ma deri. Ya swan kiwa. Why again? What work na ya vini mu wala nya widak bona mo make na deri when work nya I'm just going to advise you as a sister. The reason why I'm saying this thing started from Eddie Murphy. A disgrace one after the other. No, the movie no when you guys head over. We know when you're a pastor here. Me I do because I not had a ministry. I also come out on my own ministry so that I'll come and prophesy to people. You understand? That one side. So a lot of when you're a ministry, inside ministry, so don't let you see pastor when you record verse record all those things, all those kind of fake life, primitive lifestyle. Secret secret at the end, they all expose and come out. You understand? The disgrace and the humiliation came out publicly to everybody to see. You understand? Now it goes to Kate. A Kate now is not coming in the confession. Or say, I tire and we be Baba with a smile. You understand? It's one after the other. A year in 2021. Things that are going to be happening is well recorded. You're saying well updated and recorded. It's done. So my secretary now go, go document it, keep. Because at the end of the year, we're going to call results. You understand? So a lot of people are going to be set free. A lot of people are going to be on bondage, are going to be set free. You understand? They're all going to be coming out gradually. It's just the way it is. So una because if we're going to disgrace you publicly, it's better you go and set them loose now before the God Almighty, the thunder fire, will strike you wherever you tie that person. Whether it's a woman or it's a man, it's a boy, it's a girl, it's a child. Wherever you tie that person in a negative way, you understand? It's not pleasant to the way of God Almighty. The fire of God is going to step on each and every one in a genuine way. You understand? So, every reason it is a prayer that has been laid on New Year Day. Give me child, give me husband, give me this one, give me this one. Where you have tied somebody child somewhere. How do you expect that to happen? A lot of people are in bondage because what you have done to somebody else's child. You understand? Where when I go down on my knee to pray for this year that a lot of things is going to be exposed. A lot of things that is hidden under the darkness is going to be brought to light by fire, by thunder. You understand? It's just the way it is. Everybody get grace we carry. I feel the drink beer about this man. But I know my God. I know how to go down on my knee and cry to my God. This is what I want it to happen. And it happens. You understand what I'm saying? So all those fake church, all those fake pastors, I only know you want to buy a chair boni where you want to buy a model like Biviere and Mossig Biviere. What do I have you pastoring? When no man I get one of body, my dinner say word. You are just playing. Just playing. Now it's not only water. How you making now? May they be told Yama not my lad young yaking when you're in sort of water ministry. And the muffin is now water ministry. My sister, una write on there, salt and water on the now water ministry don't come out. Very soon, Umengwa is coming out with yam and oil ministry. Una get ready to buy yam because I won't say yam. Baba with this man, how you way? Since water ministry don't do, salt and water don't do, now yam and oil now we need. Me go bring the yam and oil come. I go sell the ministry. So that I collect salt for urine, who Johnny, oh yeah, collect water for the movie, fire that. If you do, where did you get me one? If you were me, social media. Oh God, I watched one video, God, I want to die for that. Oh God, that is water. Autant, oh, yeah, that's your Hokon, your Bameji. Jesus, well, what damn it, we don't want to be mobile, Jesus, Hokon. God, our latest comedy is coming up now very soon. When I go subscribe for me, my talk show. Well, I say, yeah, I'm going to get up. All these things, all these are live video presenter. Here, I don't sorry for it. Who not do it? Who not they ask no? The wife was going to script because and the movie not be keeping me laugh. That man, he clear road. What on? He made the crosses in the garden. Abam in your garden. When Ugwalodo. You know what? My people, you see all this live video presenter, they don't know una problem for Europe. The hit problem for Europe now husband. Everybody want husband. Nobody want character. You understand me? So now any live video presenter now hit now with husband. Also come out with fake pastor, husband. You are looking for husband. I prophesy. Just imagine pastor, you go inside bush, go hang camera. You go just come. Let me pray for you. I'm going to pray for first 15 people right now. Can you just imagine the nonsense? Can you imagine the nonsense? Then you will see 1,000 people go say, Amen, Amen. And we all not D and they will not see D. God is real. Salvation is personal, but you must buy Bible. You understand? Go down on your knee and cry to the Most High God. He's the I am that I am. The Obak Batakineye Gbeyulu. The Ekwa Bonolo. The Obo Yewo Yewu. Or Deromanadere. The beginning and the end. The oldest God that does not grow white hair. Oba no yuki dollars. Oba ne fie bebe. Oba ne fie beliku. I just imagine if we call our names. Go down your knee with your clean heart. Cry to God. Things where you define. You go begin to do now. Or hene. That's what the thing you they play. Because you don't want husband, Pekino, I want born. That's why you go find Pekin, I want husband. You go for the wrong person, You go do what you're not supposed to do. How can you imagine? Drink salt and water because they find Pekin. Take salt and water, put out for water, may you drink, may you use the bath, may you prep. That is rubbish. Obo is any. To my little knowledge where I know. If I get problem, I pray to God. The highest solution where I need now prayer. I not see where Jesus Christ come the true oracle. When he call, they say, put salt or water, they drink am. May you piss, may you shit, may your nyash for open. I not see him. You understand? I just imagine where our people will go. I don't understand where on the divert they go. All native doctors don't put on suit. Carry laptop, carry iPad phone, carry iPhone not be gone. They don't put on suit, say they be pastor, they carbash now. Mama forget, say the time when they be native doctor, they see for now. Now when they come be pastor, what you go make them also see for you? Because see, prophecy is a gift. That gift from God. As I did not can prophesy for some people on my platform here. I'm a real genuine. Because when my spiritual eyes is open, when your spiritual eyes is open, you can prophesy for people, but you don't have solution for it. It will not work. The thing will still remain the same with you. But when you genuinely pray from your heart and your spiritual eyes is open, it's for God that opens your eyes to see this person problem, this person predicament, and you already know what the solution is. It's prayer. Just tell the person to go for fasting or pray for 3 days or pray for fasting. Just be honest with the person and tell the person what to do. And as it don't as fasting as God, God's review to redeem. When He opens your eye to see the problem of this person, and as you pray for that person, things will definitely work out. Because it is that person trying to get victory. That is why God reviews your eyes to see that person's predicament. And when you pray at that moment, the thing will work out clear. So I wonder where some people come out and say they are salt and water ministry, they are this one, without not praying, without no prayer. They will just tell you come out and confess. After confession, you go say it is well with you. Drink salt and water, it's gone. Come on, people. It's hard time people should learn. You people should be wise. For all this illiteracy lifestyle we live in Europe, when you are even in a civilized country, and it's shameful now. How can you imagine you are in the light? Person with the darkness, they say want make you rich. You are in Europe, somebody inside darkness, say want make you rich. Maybe you can't do some kind concoction jars. He want give you blood money. How now go see the fall for that kind of person, that kind of plan. You understand? Not be stubbornness, not just the reality. You need to open your eyes and see that this time, a lot of things is going to happen. A lot of people are going to turn into different kind of dimensions. People are not using God's name in vain, using God's name to scam people. Because why nobody want to believe on you again. Nobody want to believe on Babalawo again. Now people don't believe on okay, now God, now God, now God. Now people are coming out in different dimensions to scam people with God's name. And our people will see them fall inside the victim. It's not clear. Just imagine somebody when we say they come out for live video. And they want to use watching and they see, they give example. Somebody when they come out for live video, they say, oh, go on, boy, oh, go on, boy, you are, he pick it up, daddy, with red and red. The same person now, they carry power. Just over one other 1 week, he go for fasting. He come out, he can't lean. He come out now, he carry cross with water, saying they pray for now. If you buy this water, you will not get belay. You go get belay by fire, by all. Jesus. You will define water. God, waiting. Baba, I'm gonna use brain. Wow, this money, can you sense final now? Sure. It don't make sense. And it tells you. Hey, you know, by now, what we go, you them or them matter. You understand? If you don't fuck up, you don't fuck up. Just calm down, pipe low. Continue with the kind of lifestyle where you live. Small. No, they can't change down. They can't use miss God with Babalawo. They miss God with the change down. Am I clear? You understand? Please, I use this medium, Beguna. All the viewers, all the followers, when they watch careful, when I know where they pull their money. Because now, many boys, many girls don't come out in a different dimension. I don't want to spoil anybody's market. I just want to open our eyes. I don't come here to destroy anybody's business. But it's just the reality. When you are doing any business, do it in a genuine way. Where busy people don't go cry, where you go to smile. No use person, no for person, use on a climb. God Almighty, no the grip puts. You understand? It's just the way it is. I love all of you now. All of you now, my God, my friends, my sisters, you all are my people. So please, live a decent life. Live a decent life. When you are honest will save. It happens to me. If you are honest, things good will happen for your life. You don't need much prayer. Because some of the prayer for next year, I don't pray this year. With the prayer ahead. That's why you will see we'll sleep, we'll cross leg, we will drink beer, we'll sleep on the snow. Nothing will happen. Don't be saying we don't get enemy. You know why? We don't guide ourselves before now. So I abuse God beg now. If I offend you now, we are not vessel. For my talk, if I offend now for the way I talk since, you know what, this gone people. I know some women go do the verse, yeah, this guy don't chill. It's just the way it is, I need to, let some people know see me. This guy will cool, chill like this. It's still danger for one side. They feel me so. And so it just be. Say for this game with this, so this social media thing with this, so some people will have to step on your toe to step forward. They want to use you climb. But you will let them know, say, man, you still flog them for this side. So you need to use this one and draw the neighborhood. So it just be. Hello? I greet you. Yeah, I did like that. I want no more call. I want to just end the video now. You understand? I'll end the video. Know what I'll call you after the video. I'll call you. We'll talk. Okay. Thank you. But now I greet a lot for now. Well, I'm not fight to you understand. No one thing I like with this social media with him. He just talk sense. Some people will just divest. I don't know why. Some people just hate me for nothing. You understand? Now when they hate me, the more they hate me, and they find the more. You know, sometimes cause good though. When people they cause me, and they find the more. Now not the story now. Not say everywhere they good, everywhere they balance. Things they fall, place. You know, things really work out. So that is why I say, in every insult, there's always an insult. The salt now they usually cook. I think so. When I diagnose the insult, for inside the insult you break up because when I will see salt for inside, take coordinate myself. The famous so. And so yours be a great of no one love with better style. You know they get the people. Please wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Omenwa TV. Now see Omenwa TV. I write down for there. You know, wanna just subscribe. Subscribe to Omenwa TV. You know, I go download many videos there, and I go use my camera to record myself. They display my talent a little bit, you know, to make me laugh. They post on there because not every time I do live video, you understand? I also to go out for shooting, do my small comedy. They post stuff for my YouTube. You first go there, they watch and go let you and your children they watch for house. You and your children and go first sit down, they watch all those kind of things. So that those kind of things I'm waiting want to put for that YouTube. So that not be only the adult alone. They teach people how to speak language, you know. Our children, when they learn how to speak our language gradually. You understand? So now those things will be diagnosed for that YouTube. So that when I go to see the watch and live. If they put on your children go to learn all those kind of butter things, like all those kind of play with this small picking, like I don't know what it's on about Bojo, Agaramu, all those kind of things where they talk all those kind of things where they, you know, they do all those kind of things for there, they sing all those kind of song. We will teach your children. See this kind of song they play with those times. Some people who are there when they watch me, so some of them are not this virgin. They're this virgin with Boji. And the reality, some of our women was this virgin on Boji things. They're not the story now. Boji, go hide and see. All those kind of hide and see. When I do all those hide and see, so we will diagnose all those things for them. So when I subscribe for Omenwa TV. Hello. I greet you, man. I talk by 150 years old back. What? Where's the mama? Where's the mama? Me mu yo to dem. Yeah. Yeah. No, well, yeah, when I was you are my what joke, my what ibota mangi na ibota mangi na iyo kwe. My sister and Nesta, or can really know, or can no understand. Oh wow, do the way you don't know ya go ahead and we can go, understand. I even di. Don't be like. Yeah, go ahead. Ni mo speaker, ni mo speaker. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. No, tell no, no. Yeah. Okay. Esta ve moyo. Esta moyo na, me magunya ruwa. Yeah. Mama, we edo ya pitan we aswa gile eye begwe. You understand? So ogoni erioji. You understand? Emi atwa gbofia. You understand? So better no reage kenati o wane ati o ha aye we bude ne si na ko yi bude pene ina ye we magwe di Yes. So I mean on me. No ya tie bom me no ya ro wie me kwere me ni bia ga ya. Do no ka wa we la we no ka ya ro wie me we no ka wa ya ro wie me pijoge we ga van we no wa ro wie me pijoge ni wa forward the going what down you me na wa aggressive because you wa we a woman now depression whatever because o me ta you understand oro ye me kwere ne ona gbe pare YouTube ona ya try YouTube ona gbe yare oga YouTube you understand you ma we self e wuni e wa job here you ma be na gbe me wa ti wa si me yi ma ni gbe understand so you understand you ma be here de kido gbe sleepy gun no ya no why are you be you understand so you
na ikaze ni message onye aze gbeliviere yan ma nyogere egbe so agbelogi ogi yan
wala ro ma wala o mama mi aye yin we won wo wa hin le won aye na won ka pe na wo de wa mi no mi ya je wa ni wo bi amai wo bi ava se wo ya ri bude ne ibude ma ni wo wa ri wo ma ri abi o ma mi
social media ma
okay we no ri aje
di mari avasa ma be do mama na avasa we ke ni yo ri Monica ya ni Monica ke we live video ma gege anything no concern the family already o we ya joke o we tin e wa kala tin e o it me no wa we me ya learn because o wa na wo o ya na wo
yeah
because my de na we more de ya de do nwa bai ojo na no wa le ya na e more de do nwa bai
yeah okay
ana uni ya kaya hoda fo webu eri na kaya ge kakabona follow that phone yes now it's just the same thing what we now I want go when I go meet me for YouTube when I can't join me for YouTube I want to play record I was saying YouTube me now I can't do record no be mommy record no be you understand it's just fooling his followers I mean I pranking followers I cannot come on my live video and be pranking my followers my responsible followers you understand now she fool herself
oh for real one here go make sure you go to the point say what you want to say make it be honest with what you are saying and one time when the boy only and down here oh go pen again move
she fool herself and her marriage build your home according to where you are in wale you will be we want your man no carry vara again no be no who not jona go egui or na economy we na advice we je mi no na ma o ma ke no we he we unyi me we gbinwe
very, very wrong. A dream. A wrong thing. How can a man lay curse on his wife and his own entire family? I'm making sense. I'm making sense. But the general public. A matter in a pending forgetting matter standing.
Because of social media, man, na me away for.
You see, so
because the man don't tell you me you change, you not great change. The man don't tire.
This video, a video no sunu na my sister. Ordinary nwani ikoya fe no hero was war. No ro was war we o, no ro war do.
When mere manana, me ale be abuko ni. Awu me ade, me na re phone. Is a guy mwele. Because I want your mama to what the phone or if you want me niaya gbesemu.
Okay.
If we're calling him a calling
on the way I need the please I have the audio. I need it please. Okay, please who hold it? Who have the audio? Okay. Okunzuwa send me hi for messenger, I'll send you the audio. I will send it for you. No worry, I'll share now. Only back and you go share me, I'll share that for you. Mama, no problem. Everywhere good. Everywhere balanced because me too. What? You understand? So my people, now so it just be. I greet all of you now. One love with better style. So mokuna subscribe to Umenwa Talk Show so that we go from there they fire down. Now they see all this when they go to YouTube. Come and make me YouTube. Come and make Mona subscribe. Me want to come to Umenwa for YouTube because you know na value where understand and run ata. You understand? Ekweme I ka visually. You understand? Mas ma via la demo khidi kade kinawe yawe kwari we awe via la demo. You understand? Because ezo mahiari ma do agu yega no. It's hard time we start teaching our people things. You understand? Even so ni mo ma hen. Ege wani we pagbon na katikate money ma we bi na maya even na tawa abitan. You understand? All those kind of things are war. No, you know, different family they get different things where they those are those things that are going to be happening live on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to Umenwa TV. Umenwa Talk Show. Umenwa Talk Show a platform and I wanna why be follow us why can follow and why subscribe. Umenwa TV. Who are here to Eminak Bomo Wagbe wa dia wa mu 7 wa. I greet all of you now with this. Wayako yo wabewe ngekai wabidolewo dolewo sioba wakiana gbe wakiana mu wayawa riokwe also if you had to do some, wa laho. Do where okay now you're bonegwe. For those that wants to, you want birthday wishes. First of all, sneaker posting one birthday wishes to your children, your loved ones. You want to give shout out to your children, your loved ones. You can inbox me. I'm ready for that. I do that too. You understand? For party, comedy events, you can inbox me. I'm always there for you. You understand what I'm saying? So now, so the month I just be. And for those of you that need advert, you want me to do advert for you. Remember the runner. Everywhere straight away balance that. You understand? Understand what I talk. So you know go advert. When I promote you in YouTube because I bag be your bonik be. And do a man say do a mama yayi. I run that too. You understand? For this platform, with the runner, you feel me? So as I see the talking for those that responsible women, responsible men. Not be for money, not be those hook up things where they collect bill for now, where they bill now. You understand? A doorway or man, you're my home. You understand? Well, matter. Make sure that you are honest. That is just the truth. So my run is just the way it is. So alone, I greet you. Look here, man, because me ain't closing now. Okay, go on.
Hello,
Yeah.
I said make I test that say make the cool construct their marriage and the me try me go pump out for Kate, the wizard with the social media they say Ukokia. And then if you ask why they shit for body, me no look as work. That one be part of the marriage. Why he married the man? I need my little advice with that.
All right, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. So my people are good to know. For inside no sense, there's always a sense. Even for what she talks, so not truth. If your husband is shit for body, a marriage is for better, for worse. Anyone have a social media, what you have to do, the pampers, pampers already are taught one, what I'm going on, you understand? Or the naki, I book be a naki, the naki, no, ya, badugwa, the naki, but ya, my naki, because you know why you boina could come now. Money be a understand. So I did, I'm a naki, you understand? So that's no, if fully money, you understand that one for that, you understand? So I say, I will be on that point, do, no carry the voice record anyway. If any gele giame or if any woes, man, as the money gbunu yo agburu yo ta Venu tani Ivani Wia. Don't know where it tama alimonigie. Brother, Baba kana Bajeri, alimonigie, O Delphia Yeva, O Yella Betrunia, Wegedian, we are we want to shower your shoe. Okay, alimonigie, and we will palimonigie, palimonigie, lawe, who will palimonigie, who are in Miamali Monigie, why now, what by a young young, what by a young. Alimonigie, Miamini, you go, you come on, tonet, then to on by you way, Bequa, we are not Bequa. Alimonigie, we don't have the be or the cover. You understand the way of the same or clinical. Everywhere move your everywhere. Or keep my move be. Understand? It's just everywhere I don't get it. That would be another topic from that. They look at about Mawai. Any Mawai, any Queen, twerk. Even a hand twerking young we are. Understand? Those are the things okay. Twerk. Women are twerk, you are feel do. When you cannot make all the year. Although I've been up feel or twerk or ye kia woo or big kia. Although I too much big a book be anywhere or weak. You understand? So, yeah, also now my take him in every time I always joke. It's just the truth. Alimonigia we once in a month no ya win one viral and young file clean. If you are saying they are alive, I don't see 12 back. When they even a gila bogo na. We are what alimonigia, you no ya no dog no ya kubeni. Dog what alimonigia, you're very young, or could go tight. Also, I do you have viral nya. Understand? Hello. Good evening, ma'am. Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Which language we done, ma'am? Which language be done? Which I talk with language? So you dey hear the language? Can I see by Libe? Can I see by? Hello? What's this up? My phone you're off. Sure. Hey. So my people, I greet you now. So just be, I greet everybody. One love with better star. You feel me? So I don't teach you now that one. So my people, now so I just as they talk on just now. So just be my people. Would they do different kind of things for this our platform? Comment everything. We need to the love about this. My body joy, you know. So anybody will go make an answer this year and trailer will go hard time. You go your hard time. You understand? You go define pin code. You don't go see pin code again because my happiness never keep you younger. My happiness will make you this smart, smooth, fresh, flexible, and you look pretty. So you need to be happy. So I greet you now. One love with that style. When I say so, at the bio, Baba with a smile. I want you. It's very, very important. Why you talk?